To a nice setup. Huge as in thick. I spent $10,000 on this video buying Subaru junk. We got a car out of Minnesota that had a ton of parts with it, and we also bought a pallet full of very nice Subaru parts out of New York. Let's jump right into it. There it is. These bumpers are not easy to find. They're expensive and difficult to find. Holy heavy. All right, since we unloaded the last car, we're starting at -$10 because you got so many things wrong.
Yeah, alternator.
There you go. I these I was like, yeah, because I think one goes that JDM bumper. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Ben, I have this would fit you so well. Is it 2XL?
To a JD.
Smells good.
Smells weird.
Low-key, I kind of dig it.
Start digging. LA sleeve. Let's check it out. So I was told this is a brand new sleeved engine from LA Sleeve. Let's see. Is it sleeved?
Wow.
Dang, look at that. That's pretty slick. Look at this, Ben. Sleeved engine. JE pistons. Woo! Look at that. Holy thick intercooler. Brand new Cali's rods. See this intercooler core that's about to come out of here. Yeah, it's huge. No, huge as in thick. Look at that boy. Look at that thing. Show the camera how thick it is, Anders. Ooh, nice ETS stencil. This is a rare piece that they only had in Japan. It's so cool. Oh my word. Watch this. Ready, Anders? Oh!
Nice.
It's in here. Fun opening presents.
What?
Oh yeah, they're cams. Oh, I forgot. Brand new billet cams. Or not billet, but the brand new cams. BC, I believe. Yep, BC.
BCP?
No, BC. Probably 272s. I'd have to look it up exactly. Ooh, Subaru crank. Yep, brand new Subaru crankshaft.
Fresh.
Fenderist wide body kit. This would have been a sweet rig. So this Forester XT I bought out of Minnesota. It was basically a big project car. The guy got this front end, the rear end for all this nice JDM stuff. He had that engine sent out and sleeved, and basically what I gathered from it is he kind of was scammed by the engine place, as in they were supposed to put it together, or the shop was supposed to put it together. I can't remember exactly what happened. He kind of lost interest in the project, and so I purchased it. It's got some Bondo work over here, and he already drilled holes in it that he had the wide body for. So unfortunately we are going to just part it out because this has been either an accident or previous rust damage. So this would have to be resprayed, and obviously the rest of the car would have to be sprayed. And so it is not something I could make money on fixing at all. So we're gonna sell some parts off of it. It's got tons of good stuff, some JDM interior parts, the whole JDM front end that I showed you, ETS front mount, a big old thick boy ETS front mount, a Fenderist wide body kit, Brembos, and like I said, the JDM Crossfire front end, which is awesome. It's my favorite Forester front end. These OEM fake carbon inserts. 04 STI 6-speed swap. That's why it's got the Brembos. So it's got 6-speed transmission. It's got the rear diff. Got the STI hubs. It's got some Cygnus coilovers. that look brand new. BC cams, brand new crank. I did show the sleeved motor on the video earlier. Nice G200 NVIDIA exhaust. So it's got tons of good parts. I'll have Anders get some clips here and there of taking this thing apart. It's a bummer this wasn't cleaner, because if it was, maybe I'd think about keeping it, but not clean enough. But we'll get some more clips of this thing and some other shenanigans in this video. So do not leave, stick around. It's so cold. Let me pull in the driveway quick.
First name?
Robert. Come on, Dip. Dippy. What do we got here, Anders? STI 6-speed.
Opening box.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, they got a fancy kit. What's wrong with this one? What's happened? This one's broken. Perfect. Looks pretty clean. Supposedly 15,000 miles.
15,000?
Yeah, it's a 2018 STI Trans. 2019. All right, what's in here? I don't even know what's in here. Packing peanuts.
Dude.
Dang, look at that header.
That's an intercooler.
These headers are so sick, dude. The best in the business right here, ETS. Look at the welds.
Is it TIG welding?
I think so. These headers are like $1,600.
That's more so than my truck than what I bought my truck for.
True international average of pressure.
The only bummer is that it's a V-band flange here, so people can't just bolt it to their stock-up pipes. Either somebody's gonna use it with a rotated kit, or somebody's gonna modify their stock-up pipe with a V-band. All right, box number 2, IAGAOS. What's this? It's like Christmas. We should do this more often.
Yeah, let's just spend more money.
Grimspeed, what is this?
Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Master cylinder, no. Yeah, master cylinder bracket. No.
Master cylinder brakes.
Brake.
Pretty good, pretty good. What we got here, Anders?
Oh,
I
this
know
is
what that
easy.
is. B-nib. That one's not B-nib. There's a B-nib one here.
IAG.
IAG engine mounts, brand new in box.
Oh.
Oh yeah, flex fuel harness.
Cobb.
Yep,
Nice.
best in the biz. The best in the business right here, ETS.
These things are nice.
Make sure we didn't throw anything away.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Wait, let me feel it. That sounds really bad. Don't pull it out.
I don't know what it is. I forgot what I bought.
It's a turbo. How
Is it? Oh, it is, I think. Yeah, that's probably the stock turbo. Yep, it is. Dang, Anders is better than me.
What?
It's like one of those mystery boxes.
Dude.
Oh,
Oh.
Should
We gotta
be-
guess what it is.
should be
before we
more
even-
than that. This should be the rest of the pricing.
Oh, look at this. Short shifter.
Yep, there should be
Boy.
2 of them somewhere. ETS intake.
Right here.
Then when we're done with this, would you mind cleaning it up? Yeah. I'm currently wondering where the AMS manifold is because I don't know if it would fit in here. But I could be wrong. I'm wrong.
That's cool.
You helping unpack, buddy?
That's a nice setup there. Very, very nice.
Fuel rails. Comes with stickers if you buy it.
Yeah, those are brand new. B-nib. This thing's sick. I love these manifolds. They're so cool. Looks like a spider, but 4 legs short. And don't call me Scientist Rob for any reason.
Hope schooler.
Torque Solutions transmission mount.
I know what it is. It's an AEM gauge.
For what?
Air fuel ratio.
Wow, you're so smart. You're so smart.
so smart. Oh yeah, I know what those are. Holy smokes, those are big.
I've never heard that before.
Bro.
Phenolic spacers, what are those?
Springs.
Look like the springs on your truck. Another pair in pitch stop mount. This one's B-nib though. B-nib.
What?
What is B-nib? Wrong answer.
Oh no. Big.
All right, Ben.
All
I
right,
don't
last
even
one.
know. Actually, I might know what these are.
I thought there were
What the heck? Are these engine mounts?
solid engine mounts. And
Oh.
not many people do solid engine mods.
I was about to say, because that would be
they'll
like,
rattle your balls off.
yeah, boy.
Guess what? FIC 2150s. Them are some honkers.
Holy smokes.
I should double check his list, but I think that's everything.
What?
All right, cameraman, time to clean up.
We did all the hard work.
We're done now.
Quite frankly, okay? I should retire, okay? I'm quite frankly, I'm exhausted. What'd you say? Dude, did you rip your butt cheeks open? And
Oh my word. I did not, but I smell it now.
Dude, your dog is disgusting.
I think that's it.
Ben's still recording over there. We're just probably audio.
Packing peanuts. No.
Gosh.
Oh no, that hurt.
You missed.
Go bite his balls off.
What?
Poor honey. Oh, did you just see? Did you get his jump? End video.
I'm not a voice assistant.
What should we say to end it? We'll say
Thanks for
something
watching.
else. If you want to buy anything, it's all for sale because Anders can't afford it.
I also don't buy out reliable.
Goodbye, Forester. As you just saw, I dropped that Forester off at the scrapyard. I know it's kind of a bummer, but that car had Bondo on it, it had rust on it, it had holes in the body. It was not worth saving. I was not gonna sell it to somebody. I would have sat on the thing for at least a couple months, and it's not worth it to me to do that. We've got a ton of these parts from the Forester on top of some other parts that we bought. You'll see in another video. But if you're interested in any of these, shoot me a message on Facebook, leave a comment on YouTube, shoot me a message on Instagram. You can check eBay, but we are still behind on eBay, so you will see parts way down the road on eBay. Best place is Facebook. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you enjoyed us unboxing some of the stuff and just getting that Forester. It was a lot of fun. Hope to see you guys in the next video. On a batch out of blah, blah, blah.
Perfect.
On a batch out of Subaru parts. Oh.